was supposed to be a great Christmas, just like all the others before it. The presents have been crafted, wrapped, and prepared for delivery. The workshop have been cleaned and ready for the next Christmas season, which will promptly begin the day after Christmas. Now that the hard work of the season is over, it's time for the helpers to celebrate Christmas themselves. The gift exchange is held in the great gathering room under the largest Christmas tree the world has ever seen. But only after decorating it, of course. Each year, all the elves gathered together to decorate it and exchange gifts. It is tradition. Everything seemed to be going exactly as it should. The elves have gathered the cookies, made gallons of eggnog, hot chocolate and spice cider, and headed to the great room for the festivities to begin. It was then that someone let out a monstrous cry. The Christmas tree is gone! How were they supposed to hold their Christmas celebrations without a tree? Breaking up into groups, they began their search. It doesn't take long to find a trail of tinsel leading all over the North Pole. To start your search, you'll need to pick a direction. The closest trail of the tinsel leads you straight to the workshop. The workshop is a large room, but it is not tall. The tree is enormous, so it would have been hard to miss, wouldn't it? It becomes clear that you will most likely need to look for a new tree instead of finding the old one. There are very few places that someone could hide a 15-meter tree. You'll try to recover the ornaments instead, which are all priceless. The tinsel stops as soon as you enter the room, so you'll have to do some searching of your own. Under one of the work desks, tucked away, is a gift. Not just any gift. This is a puzzle box. The box can only be opened by solving the puzzle and putting in the right combination. There's no time to lose. Santa is returning from his deliveries in an hour, and you can't be without a tree and his priceless ornaments. You'll have to work together to solve these riddles and clues. Great job, Sugar Snaps! You've solved the clue and have recovered the box of ornaments. Unfortunately, it seems that whoever started this game is not doing you any favors. The next trail you choose to follow has led you into the most occupied room in the entire North Pole. The kitchen! An easy favorite among elves. The biscuits are baked fresh daily, and the hot chocolate is served piping hot. This time, however, the room is empty. So why is the oven light on? Hopefully, whoever used it last didn't leave it on. The oven is shut tight, and inside, you can see another box. Oh dear! How are you going to get this open? Looks like you did it! Great work, Sugar Plums! Now that you have the next box of ornaments, you follow another trail into the sacred office of Father Christmas. Very few helpers have made their way in here, and those who have are usually not just your average toy maker. Though Father Christmas has an open-door policy, most helpers don't have the opportunity to drop by unannounced. Everyone has a job to do, and usually only the foreman has time to have regular meetings with Santa. It's all elves' dream to reach the status of foreman or operations manager. Sitting on his desk for everyone to see is another locked box. You'll definitely want to get this open before Father Christmas gets back. You've done it again, gingerbread men! The stable is the next location that the tinsel leads to. The stables are quiet without the reindeer, but that leaves more room to see if anything is misplaced. There are no boxes, but Perhaps the ornaments could be hidden in the hay. I surely hope not. That would take far too long to dig through each haystack. Hopefully, whoever played this prank spared them a little searching. After shoveling hay and lots of sneezing, discreetly hidden underneath it all is another lockbox. Whoever did this is clever, and it would be more fun if there wasn't a deadline. Congratulations on finding the next box, Candy Canes! Next, you'll follow the trail to the mail room. This room is essential because Father Christmas receives every wish list sent by children all over the world. Unfortunately, it's full of packages and letters, so finding a box in this room will prove to be quite tricky. Thankfully, your team is the best of the best, and elves are trained to notice the finer details. You begin by searching through a mountain of letters and hope that they aren't in any particular order. At the bottom of the pile of mail is another lockbox. It's a good thing you didn't give up, because that was one of the most challenging tasks yet, Jelly Beans. The next trail leads to the sleigh room. Here, the magical sleigh is kept and worked on all year. Elves have to attend a special school to learn how to tend to Father Christmas's sleigh. Somewhere in the room is the next box of ornaments. Perhaps it's in the box of tools, or in a storage closet. Santa will return sooner than you think, so you best get to work. Excellent work, Sugar Cookies! You found the next box of ornaments. You follow the tinsel outside to the courtyard. This is the most extensive place you'll have to search. In trees, bushes, snow mounds, snowmen, everywhere is a hiding place. The box could be anywhere. Thankfully, your group has proven more than capable, and sure enough, tucked away under a bush is another lockbox. The box combination should be easy to crack, because your team is unstoppable. Success! You found all of the irreplaceable ornaments and replaced the tree all before Santa returned. As it turns out, it was a game Father Christmas put together. The goal was to get out of the typical Christmas tradition and start another. Thus, the Great Christmas Scavenger Hunt was born, and everyone will participate in it for the foreseeable future. The tree was decorated, and the biscuits eaten. Everything indeed was merry and bright.